What's good everybody? This is the educational channel on this platform. This video is about top 5 programming languages in 2021 for you to learn. If there is a mistake in proper rankings of these programming languages, give your suggestions in comment section. I appreciate that. And if you're first time on this channel, feel free to subscribe us. Number 1 on the list, Python. If you have clicked on this video, you have definitely heard about Python programming language. Python is the fastest growing and one of the top programming languages. One of the best thing about Python programming language is that being high level language, it is very easy to learn. It is most demanded language in the market. It is an open source language which is easy to understand, so you can think about learning this programming language. Moving on, number 2, we have R programming language. The application of R programming language is in the field of data science, statistical computing and machine learning. R is a comprehensive and statistical analysis which encourages the developer to develop new ideas. R is an open source software which works best on GNU, Linux and Microsoft Windows. Compared to Python, R is difficult to learn. It is also known as future programming language. Number 3 on the list, JavaScript programming language. JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages for front-end development and is becoming relevant to back-end development. JavaScript assists the developer in building a highly interactive website. JavaScript language is widely applied in game development, web and mobile development and desktop application. Number 4 on the list, Java programming language. Java programming language is famous for providing most number of jobs in the field of programming, which is an important reason behind its increasing popularity in the developers community. The best feature of Java programming language is that it is an open source, robust, platform independent and secured language. Java programming language has been applied in various fields. Some of them are scientific applications, banking and financial services, web and mobile development and also desktop development. Last but not the least, PhP programming language. PHP programming language has an interesting story behind its creation. It was initially developed for the purpose of maintaining personal homepage, but as per the statistic, currently it has taken over 23% websites globally. Its other uses including creating web pages which are written in HTML. PHP language is mainly used to create dynamic and static websites. Companies like Facebook and Yahoo are using this language, so this is also a great option as a programming language for you to learn in 2021. So these are the top 5 programming languages in 2021. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.